Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add audio spectrum in Capcut. So as you can see, this is the official application of Capcut. So make sure to download this application in your phone, and once you open the Capcut application in your mobile phone, so here you will see this interface. You can see like all the projects and the templates, library and your account. So just let's say I have this project open and I want to add an audio spectrum in this project. So from here, either your clip is selected, so you will see this option like split, animation, effects, delete and all other options. So what you need to do is just click on this left side option, and once you click on it, you will see an interface like this: edit, audio, text, overlay, effects and these kind of options. So just find this option called text, and once you go to text, you will see like add text or stickers or auto captions. So just click on stickers, and once you click on stickers, just search here audio spectrum, and once you search your audio spectrum, as you can see, these are like all the audio spectrums available. Some of them are free and some of them are like pro versions, so you must have a premium account if you want to use these pro features, but let's say for now I want to use. As you can see, this has been added, and let me just mute the audio of this, and just now you can enlarge the size or change the angle or do whatever you want and adjust it according to you. And once you have adjusted, you can increase the length of it as well. So you want to like put it in the whole video, you can just see that this is added in the whole video. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add audio spectrum in Capcut.